Please excuse the mess. Hello, YouTubers and Arduino coders, whatever. I'm working on a problem and I can't figure it out. I've tried rearranging my code. I've tried writing my own code. I can get it to work the way it's supposed to in the Windows joystick settings, but not in my flight sim. Any help? There's my switch panel. There are a lot more holes, but I don't have the switches for that yet, and I'm going to need probably 2 more Arduino boards to run this whole panel. There are 30 push button switches, or holes for push button switches, and 18 on-off stationary switches. So all of this would need to work in the simulator. Now I'm going to show what is working correctly, I hope. And I'm just going to use this top one here. I got this one set up as full flap in my simulator. As you can see, it activates properly in the Windows joystick settings. And that's all of these. They all work. Now here's where my problem is. Let me unpause this. The simulator I am using is, if this will make it out, Lockheed Martin Prepared 3D version 5. Now here's where my problem is. I'm going to zoom in on the master switch because it's easy. Hopefully that's close enough to pick up on camera. So, actually, this might be a little bit difficult. Okay, so this switch here at the bottom is set up in the game, in the simulator, as the master battery master alternator switch. Now, as you can see, I'll back up a little bit. Oh. Cycle on, it turns on. But in order to get it to turn off, I have to cycle it again. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong in code, and that's all of my switches. I'm going to zoom out here. I'll find another one. We'll go with the gear on this one. And my landing gear is here. That works, but nothing down. I cycle again, and the switch cycles the simulator to gear down. But I have to cycle the switch to get an input. That's not supposed to be correct. Down, gear down, up, gear up. But it doesn't do that. See? Now the switch is off. The simulator is reading I'm trying to pick up the gear and it's not doing anything. That should go back to down. Cycle. Gear's where it's supposed to be. Gear down, nothing happens. Gear up, gear up. Gear down, still up. All of these switches are doing the same thing, and I cannot for the life of me figure out what is going on. Any questions as far as my code, I will leave a link to my Arduino forum thread down there. And for those who followed the link to this video from the Arduino forum, comment here or comment in the forum. Thank you.